Hi students, let's continue with the previous topic, that is the LEX concept, LEX tool. So with the help of the LEX tool, the lexical analyzer is automatically generating the tokens. So the introduction part I will explain in the previous video. Now let's see how the program will be represented. So here I am going to explain a program to count the number of vowels and constant in a given grammar. So let's take some grammar they are given, okay, in that is the input stream. Okay, the input stream is given some grammar. So this grammar is going, it's a grammar. The input stream is nothing but it is given some grammar. That in that grammar, we have to count the number of vowels and consonants in that grammar. That is going to generate a tokens. Okay, so this LEX program is going to generate tokens automatically. So that tokens we want as an output as number of vowels and the constants. Let's see the program. So what is the structure of this LEX program? So what I explained, first is the declaration section, next is the translation rules, and the next is the auxiliary function. So total three sections will be there. So the last one is an optional one. So the first is the declaration, you need that. So hash include stdio.h. So declaration section, this is the int vowels is equal to 0. I am declaring and initializing here. Int constants is equal to 0. So declaration is over. So after declaration, there is a translation rules. So what's the translation rules is nothing but it has to follow some pattern. Vowels means it should be in A-E-I-O-U. Constants means it is in between the 21 constants other than the vowels. So that is a translation, the rule that has to be followed, means the pattern. Okay. So what are the translation rules here? The translation rules is, if you take vowels, either it is a small letter A-E-I-O or a capital letters A-E-I-O-U. Okay. So these are the vowels plus plus. And constant should be in the range of small letters A to Z or capital from A to Z. So anything is a constant plus plus. Okay, and close this translation session. So this is the declaration part and this is the translation part, and the next is auxiliary function. If you have any auxiliary functions, you can write. So the auxiliary function here I am writing int wrap return 1. So now I am writing the main program here. Main printf, enter the string, that is the input string that you need to enter, whatever the input string that we are taken, input string, enter the string at and after that you need to press. So this statement will be appeared on the screen. Now I am just calling LEX. Okay, so just calling the tool LEX. Then printf. So this LEX, what it is doing, it is going to be find out what are the tokens and what are the vowels and the constants that are present in that. Okay, so printf number of vowels %d/n, number of constants %d/n, print vowels and constants. Okay, so this is how you have to write the LEX program. So just take declaration part, translation part and auxiliary part. Thank you.